Welcome to AutoCAD for Beginners. I'm the house planner, and in this first lesson, we'll take tour of the AutoCAD interface, the essential tools, workspace, layout, and how to move around. Whether you're new or just need a refresher, this video is for you. Let's jump in. When you open AutoCAD, the first thing you see is the Start tab. From here, you can create a new drawing or open an existing one. As you can see, we can also see the previous work. But for now, let's start with a new drawing. Once inside, this is your drawing area. It's the space where all your work will happen. At the top, as you can see, we have it has the tabs: the home, the insert, the annotate, the view, the manage. It has several tabs, which it has tools like line, polyline, text. Will elaborate further in the upcoming videos. Down below here we have the comment bar. It shows what AutoCAD is asking for. For example, let's write line. As you see, it guides you step by step, so keep an eye on it while working. To your right, we have the navigation tool. We have the view cube. You can go like top, front, back, bottom, left, and we have the pan and the zoom in, zoom out. As you can see, you can have the pan to move around, to zoom in and out, in, out. All of this, we have it in the navigation tool. Below the command bar, you'll find the status bar. In this status bar, it includes the snap, the grid, which helps to make precise drawings. That's it for today's quick overview of AutoCAD interface. Take some time to explore and click around. In the next lesson, we'll start setting the units and learn about the line tool. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. See you soon. Bye bye.